to a new episode of Praxi Prax. You might see that some things have changed. I have set up my final studio in our new home and I'm making this video from that studio. However, today's video is going to be a quick tech unboxing. Now mind you, I have unboxed this a while ago. However, I never had the time to actually edit it and upload it. So I thought, what better way and less work to do if I'm just going to do an intro and outro video and then show you the unboxing of this little gadget I bought a while ago. So without much further ado, here is the quick unboxing video of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Now here are a few videos I took during my trips around Melbourne during the Christmas break. I used the gimbal to make a few little clips and I also used its own software to make a little bit of a montage, so to speak. So here it is. Hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now, that particular video did not have any additional editing. It was directly edited and made using the DJI Osmo software. So it was quick, it was easy, it was all predefined. It was magical, so to speak. But you know, me being someone who likes to change a lot of things, I found it a little bit annoying that I couldn't control a lot of aspects. However, here is another video I edited based on the videos I took while I went out. Take a look. tell me which video you think is much better, the transitions of the first video, which is based on DJI Osmo Mobile's own software, or is the video I made much better? I believe I made it better. Anyways, I know there is the newer version Osmo Mobile 4 as well. The main reason I didn't get that is it was magnetic and I was not quite sure and confident about just attaching the mobile to a magnetic gimbal. It just didn't feel safe for me. So I went with the previous one. Besides, given that there was a new version, the previous one came at a really good price as well. So, and I got it during Christmas, there was Christmas discount. So it was a pretty good deal actually. So far it's been working really good. I might give a much more detailed review a bit later on because I'm planning to take it on my Easter break holiday and get better use out of the gimbal and the software. So hopefully I will provide another much detailed review of this product. So hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellow techies who like gadgets. I will try to be as regular as possible and upload more gadget videos. Keep an eye out and press the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. At this point, I'm hoping to be more regular, but time will tell. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, it's bye from Praxi Prax. See you all soon. Stay safe.